Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to sign up for the Bank Alfalah app. Before beginning, please ensure you have your Bank Alfalah account number readily available for the registration process. You will also need access to your registered mobile number, as this is crucial for receiving verification codes. Furthermore, please keep your computerized national identity card, or CNIC, close by, as it will be required to confirm your identity during setup. The initial step involves downloading the official Bank Alfalah app, available on both the Apple App Store and Google Play Store. Simply search for Bank Alfalah and look for the genuine application, marked by its clear blue icon and familiar logo. Once downloaded, open the app and accept any required permissions, such as access to your phone or SMS messages, which are essential for seamless operation and security during the setup process. Next, you will need to verify your account details within the app. Carefully enter your complete 16-digit Bank Alfalah account number into the specified field on the screen. Following this, input your computerized national identity card, or CNIC, number precisely as it is registered with the bank. A crucial step involves entering the one-time password, or OTP, that will be sent to your registered mobile number, confirming your identity for enhanced security. Now it is time to establish your personal login credentials. First, create a unique user ID that is memorable for you but not easily guessable by others. Then, you will craft a strong password, which must contain at least 8 characters. To maximize security, include a combination of uppercase letters, lowercase letters, numbers, and special symbols, making your account highly protected and personal. Remember to store these details securely.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.